Through his efforts, the first women's university was set up in the 20th century. Pandita Ramabai founded the Sharda Sadan and took up the responsibility of taking care of disabled children and women. Ramabai Ranade through the medium of Seva Sadan. Now this here in the 20th century you can see the first women's university. It was set up through the efforts did by Maharshi Karve and Pandita Ramabai. Sharda Sadan, it's an important. Sharda Sadan was founded by Pandita Ramabai. Sharda Sadan was founded by Pandita Ramabai and took up the responsibilities of taking care of disabled children and women. Pandita Ramabai started Sharda Sadan, and what was the intention of the Sharda Sadan? To took up the responsibility or to take care of the disabled children and women. And another Ramabai Ranade through the medium of Seva Sadan. Here don't create a confusion. Sharda Sadan, it is Pandita Ramabai. Sharda Sadan, it is of Pandita Ramabai, and Ramabai Ranade, it is of, she founded Seva Sadan Institute, started the nursing course for women, and Seva Sadan by Ramabai Ranade, she started. Pandita Ramabai founded Sharda Sadan and Ramabai Ranade Seva Sadan, and this institute started for the nursing course for women. She demanded the right to vote for women, and she was the first woman. She asked about the vote right for women. Ramabai Ranade. Through articles, Dr. Ambedkar spoke about the injustice towards women. Means every person write or speak about the rights of women. In it, Dr. Ambedkar also spoke about the injustice towards women, that the society is not giving the justice for the woman, or these women are also the part of society, then also they are not the society is not giving justice to them, or there is the discrimination on the basis of gender. Mahatma Gandhi also advocated education of women. Means Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Ambedkar, then Pandita Ramabai, then Ramabai Ranade, Savitribai Phule, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Viresh Lingam Pantalu, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve, everyone did the great work for the emancipation of women. Women have given valuable contribution during the freedom movement, and later on these women given the valuable contribution during the freedom of movement in the field of education. Savitribai Phule, she gave a strong contribution for the women's education, though she is criticized by the society from many time. Women's reform movement helped in closing down many unjust practices in the society. Closing down many injustice practice in society, the voice for problem against the woman broke out. Women started putting up their own thoughts through their writing, their performance in every sector of life flourished due to education. And after the strong support of this all the people, now women they do get the chance for education, and they were trying to give the performance in every sector of life, and they were taking the education also. So it was the great change in Indian society that now women also get the right to vote. Then women broke out there all the chains of restrictions and they are performing their work, or they are showing their talent, or they did their upliftment in the society after due to the education. So it is about emancipation of women. Now just think about it. If the social reformers had not started the education of women, then what will happen? Just think over it. At present, what kind of transformation is seen in the life of women due to education? Do you think there is a great need for taking further efforts regarding education of women? If yes, then what efforts need to be taken? These all questions, these are for you to think over it. It will